So we want to convert numbers to Roman numerals. So using the Python functions, so using the function, so this is write a function to get can be like number to Roman numeral. That can be enough. So I will enter a number, I can call it num. So I will enter my number fix. So here I will can use a dictionary or we can use tuple. So let's say I'm using a tuple this time around. So I have the one for values. So one of the values can begin from the highest 1900. The one which I start, just like for the other one that we did, 1019. So I can have one for values, then I can also have one for symbols. The correspond. You remember in this case now, I'm going to put in a number like 10 and I expect them to give me the symbol, which can be like X. So I'm going to put the numbers in such a way that they correspond to the way I put the numbers corresponds to the way I put the letters. See, so this one two people know. Okay, so we store 1000 is 900, 500, like that. Those ones up to 1. So what you should know is that since I'm going to put in a number and I'm calling like a symbol, I can store my symbol here. So it can be like the corresponding Roman, can say that my Roman numeral, let the initial one be just empty, something like that. And I can call my I, let's say I0. Yeah, I really helps if you're going to use a loop. That's why I'm always putting it. If it's a for the for loop you don't need it, but for the while loop you will always need it. So if I'm going to use the while loop and I'm supposing that the number m that you give me must be greater than 0 because I can't really work on the negative ones. So I can also print in a while loop, another while loop, and I'm like the number is, I'm going to put in a number, I'm feeding in a number like 10, 101 I can say. So we see that this number must be greater or equal to. So the interesting thing when you're converting is that if I have my number, let's say 40, okay, 100. So what you do, you get this 100, then you subtract 100 because 100 is here. We subtract with the value that we know. So that's the first thing you do. If you have 56, you get the 56. You subtract minus the 50 that you know. Then you frustrate that. This will be 6. So you frustrate the 50, then you see it will be followed by the what you remember remainder, which is 6. So therefore I can say I'm looking for a number which is less than the number this or equal to 8 in where I'm looking for it in the values. So from the values I want an I. But when I put I, this is a 0. Remember for tuples, so this is a 0, this is a 1. So I will look for the I which is less than or equal to this, very close to it. So for example here 50 is close 1, so this is just for it being close to it. So that's what that represents. So if this is true, then what do you do? The moment you get that number, then your symbol or your Roman, the moment you land on the number, then your Roman can be updated. So my Roman is going to be Roman plus, in this case, first write the 100. So I'll write the symbol which goes with it. Write it the way it is here. I write the same which corresponds to I. You remember I wrote them in order. Then I can also now subtract. So my new number is going to be the number itself minus the value that I selected from up there. So minus this value, Ctrl C, put it here, something like that. Then I will